Bucky. Hey, flea boy. Sounds more quiet.
Way more quiet. It's not wide open anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
It's that catalytic converter flying it down.
Still sounds pretty mean though.